Alright, CP Part 2. Instructions for this exercise: we need to start in the movies directory. Use pwd to check where you are. If you aren't in the movies / directory, you can use the command cd / home cursor workspace movies to quickly get there. As you move to the correct file path, ignore any errors that pop up. Once you are in the movies, copy drama biopic ray.txt and drama biopic notorious.txt into drama historical directory. Okay, so first we need to use pwd to check which directory we're in. So we're in the home cursor workspace movies. Movies and drama, but to quickly get there, so we need to cd into, so we're not even in the correct path or directory. Cd cursor workspace movies. Okay, so now apparently there's no such directory. We just need to move one up, yeah? So now we one up. So now if I type in our list, let's check what we got here. cd Okay, so now let's move into that directory. Home / cursor / workspace / movies. Now we're within that directory. So once you're in movies, copy drama. So cp drama / biopic / ray.txt, and then drama / biopic notorious.txt into drama / historical. Okay, so there's no notorious.txt, so there must be drama. Biopic ray.txt into drama / historical. So it's drama forward slash biopic ray.txt and drama forward slash biopic notorious.txt. Drama forward slash historical. And then it's Alice. CD drama forward slash historical forward slash